Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Daria. I'm a professional artist and I paint on clothes. And I want to show to the world that with fabric paints you can create real art pieces on the clothing. If you want to join me in my journey, subscribe to my channel. In this video you will see the process of creating hand-painted denim jacket from the art serial Magic Hands. To paint hands on the paper is hard, but to paint hands on the denim is much more harder, but nothing can stop me when I want to create a unique piece of clothing. So, let's begin. I use Levi's denim jacket for the painting, and I paint freehand. I don't transfer image to the jacket. I practiced enough to be able to paint this way, and first I paint an undercoat with white paint. Now I paint blue background using big flat brush. When the undercoat gets dry, I begin to paint hands with colors. Writings look beautiful on the jackets, so I will write meaningful phrase. Also, I use fabric outliner to make the writing look more beautiful. Now it's time for magic. I paint sunshine between the hands and I use gold paint for it. I splatter the gold paint. Now I add the black outliner for the writing. And the painting is finished. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. And if you want to see many unique hand painting clothing, check out my Etsy shop. I put the link down below. If you have any questions, write to me. See you, bye bye.